Okay, so with this question, what you're being asked to do is you're being asked to simplify this expression here. And you're given a number of options, and you have to select what's the correct option. So in order to simplify it, what we need to do is we can only add or subtract like terms. So we can only add or subtract like terms. It's kind of like saying, you can only add apples. If you have apples and bananas, you can only add and subtract apples from apples. If you can't add and subtract apples from bananas, for example. And it's the same thing with expressions as well. So one way you can start to tackle this problem is to look at, so for example, what we can do is we can gather up all of the like terms. So the first one we look at here is 2x. So have we any other terms that are like 2x? So we have 2x, then we have this minus 3x, minus 3x. So 2x minus 3x. Okay, so that's these first two. The second part then what we can do is we can look at the next type of term, 3y. So and this is minus 3y. So minus 3y. And we also have plus 5y. Plus 5y. Okay, so we've 2x minus 3x minus 3y plus 5y. And then the last type of terms that we have are just these integer values here. So we have plus 4 minus 2. Now, the only things that we can add and subtract from each other are the like terms. So for example, we can minus these from each other. We can minus and subtract these, and then the same here as well with this one. So then what we can do is we can work these out to simplify this. So if we work with this one, so if we have 2x and we minus 3x, we're going to end up on minus x. Okay, so if you are on minus 2 and you minus 3, you end up on minus 1x. So what we've done is we've taken these expressions and we have simplified it down into one expression, which is minus x. Then if we have a look at this one here, so we've minus 3y plus 5y. So again, if we are on minus 3y and we plus 5y, we end up on plus 2y. So plus 2y. So what's happening here is these guys here are simplifying down into this one term here. And then if we look at this last part then, so we have plus 4 minus 2. That's going to be equal to minus 2. Sorry, that's going to be equal to plus 2, should I say. So if you're on plus 4 and you minus 2, you end up on plus 2. So this is the answer. This here's the answer. So it is option 1. And that's how you work out that question.